Hey guys, Swisher Family Farm here. Woo! It is a nice cool morning. I haven't had a cool morning. Tell me what's going on. It goes from 108 to 128, and then in the morning I wake up and they say it's 50 to 60 degrees. What the hell is up with that? So today I want to talk about chickens. How to keep your chickens cool in the summer. Now me and Amy have, we've really had a hard time with this weather. I mean, we went 4 weeks with the temps in the hundreds. 108, 102, 101, and then humidity factors have been anywhere from 80 to 100% humidity. And let me tell you, that's pretty hot. Even out here working for me, that's hot. A couple days ago, I had to go in because I too much heat for me. I didn't do well. So I tried to get out here early. As you can see, sun isn't even up yet, and we're waiting for it to rise. But what we want to talk to you today about is the chickens and what we've gone through in these 100-degree temperatures. One, watering. Watering has been a chore. I mean, don't get me wrong, we don't mind doing it, but it's been a chore because we put water and fill up their water every morning, which you're going to see me do this morning. And within 4 to 5 hours, once that sun comes up, the water is gone. The chickens hardly drank anything. It's dissipated that fast that it's become an issue. Now, another issue we're dealing with, from the state of Tennessee, I got a notification that there is areas of bird flu. So now I have to worry about that on top of it. So I'm in the house at night, sitting there, and I'm thinking, what can I do to kind of counteract? There's got to be something you can do. And I come up with an idea, and I says, you know what, we'll give it a try, and we'll see if it works. If not, I'm not out any money, and on top of it, if it does work, the only thing it's going to do is make my chickens happy. Now, if you guys haven't seen it, if it gets too hot, your chickens will not lay. So you're not even getting an egg production. They never stop eating. Of course, they'll eat nonstop. They love eating. I think that's their main thing. Now, so what I want to talk to you today about is how to correct that problem. How to take your chicken coop to that next level. How to help it. How to protect your chickens. And this works. I've tried it now a month. It's been a 100% turnaround difference from when we were having the major heat. Now when the heat hits it, it's really not that hot. They're not panning, they're not stressing out, and the last thing you want is a stressed out chicken. Now, another reason I came up with this is because we had lost 2 chickens to heat. I feel life's precious. Even from my human life to an animal life is precious to me. And I had to take and dispose of 2 of my chickens, and I wasn't happy about it because that's a lot of money invested. They're egg layers, and one of them was actually kind of a favorite chicken of mine. So I had to come up with an idea. So guys, here's my idea. So I'm in the garden and I'm looking around and I'm like, okay, and our garden is doing phenomenal. We'll have a video coming up of that. And I just kept looking around going, wow, I says, this is really something. So then I went and I got underneath it and I sat down. I was like, it's like 20 degrees, 30 degrees difference under here. And you know what it is, guys? Shade cloth. Check it out, right? One, it's inexpensive. I paid $68 for the shade cloth to cover my entire run for my chickens. 2, you can get in multiple sizes. So if you only got like say an 8 foot by 10 or an 8 by 16 or an 8 by 10 chicken run, you can use a shade cloth. If you got an 18 by 20 or an 8 by 20, you can run a shade cloth. Now, I understand about putting chicken wire on top of your chicken coop, but you don't need 2 of this. This has helped us out so much and has done so many different things. 1, bird flies over, has bird flu, poops, it hits the shade cloth. 2, birds can't get inside there through the top, neither can predators. All right. 3, it shades the whole area but still allows sunlight to come in. Cuts the heat back, by at least 20 to 30 degrees in there. I know because I have a shade cloth over the tomatoes. I sit underneath it and I feel a difference between the sun and the other. So that's what I did. I said, you know what? I'm going to order some shade cloth from Amazon, have it shipped in. We'll put it up, we'll test it out, and then I'll do a video. And sure enough, check it out, guys. You won't believe it. It's as cool can get, and it works. That is shade cloth over top of the chicken run. I'm going to take you guys around and show you what I did and how I did it so you guys get an idea. And I'm telling you, it's an awesome idea. So let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have a shade cloth over top. We zip tied it, stretched it, and pulled it taut. Right? You see that? Is that not just the coolest idea? Sometimes when you're under pressure, the ideas you'll come up with. Now, the other thing is too, is if you look down, you can see that's how we did it. Zip tie, it stretches really good. And yes, it has been through 3 storms and it has held up perfectly. Now this is the same shade cloth that you'll get for your tomatoes, for your garden area. And I used it inside the chicken coop. We got our feeder down there. We got our water over there. We used to keep the water there, but the sun hits it direct and just dissipates it even faster. But this kind of gives you an idea of what a shade cloth can do. Like I said, I just took zip ties and zip tied them to the fence, and this keeps the predators out. Plus the predators fly over. They really can't see that well with the shade cloth over top. So you're protecting them also. So now I'm going to go ahead and I guess Amy's going to feed and water. And we're going to let you see what her morning chore is. We keep her feeding those cans. Our shells go in there and the water goes there. It's set on straight.
I'm gonna clean off the trough.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now Amy gets up every morning and does this for the chickens. We take very good care of our chickens. All that stuff that you see down below is all the stuff that we pulled from our spring garden. We give everything to the chickens. I mean, they get lots of grass, they get lots of vegetables. I think that's broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower that we gave them. She dumps the waters out. She cleans everything real good. She does a good job. She takes care of them chickens. But the shade cloth was absolutely the brilliant idea of mine. And as you can see, we got a gate right there. She's able to open up the gate and it doesn't even affect the gate. The raptors are waiting to be released. We'll have that hung back up as soon as we get the tomatoes tied up.
Okay.
I don't think they're going to get a lot from me today, so you go ahead and feed them full.
Okay.
She gets probably like 2 scoops, huh? So you don't have to go in there just one.
Yeah. I don't care. It's step one.
Do you want to put shells in there or no?
Yeah, we can throw some shells in.
You got to get that fermenting idea down too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
See how the little ones come out.
Yeah.
And then the older ones are the ones that sleep in.
Yeah.
They're like, I will be out there when I'm out there.
Yep. Where's Hey Hey? Chasing his girls. Come on, baby. Don't run away. Don't run away. Just come on. Did a girl. All right, guys, so you got to see the neat little trick I got going on. It works. Try it out. Trust me. And please leave it in the comments below and tell me, how's it going with your chickens. It's a way to keep them cool. It's a way to shade it. It still gets sunlight in there, so it doesn't keep the moisture in the soil. It dries it out. And on top of it, you got some happy chickens, and they lay some eggs.